Can employers have religious objections to hiring LGBTQ workers? I'm Nancy Schick of Third Year Conflict Resolution. And when I'm teaching continuing education courses, this is a question I get a lot. It comes in light of the Bostock versus Clayton County case that was decided by the US Supreme Court last year that extended sex discrimination protections to LGBTQ workers. And so my attorney answer to you is, it depends. And also, because I'm an attorney, I have to give my disclaimer that I'm not going to give you legal advice in this particular video. I only give legal advice to clients who retain me and that we have that kind of engagement. So I encourage you, if you're concerned about this, to consult an attorney. But I'm going to give you three considerations that I invite you to explore in the context of any religious objections you might have to hiring LGBTQ workers. First, what are your sincerely held religious beliefs regarding LGBTQ people? And you want to be very specific, because the second consideration is, where did you get those sincerely held religious beliefs? Because you're going to have evidence that they're sincerely held and religious in nature. And it's okay if you explore this and discover that maybe you're not sure. But this is why I want you to take a look at it. And then third, you want to consider, what's your goal in asserting this objection? What's the ideal outcome? And depending on what your religious beliefs are, you might ask, what would your Savior, your God, your religious leader, what would they do in a similar situation? Because this is probably how a lot of these cases going forward are going to be analyzed. Now, my third-year conflict resolution process can help you walk through some of this, because it's 7 choices that we make in the beginning to help you get connected to your response to the situation before you start engaging with other people, and then you can start taking action. And if you need more one-on-one interaction and coaching around this, I still offer my free 30-minute breakthrough calls, and I'll put a link for you to schedule that in the notes to this video. In the meantime, keep listening with your third ear for the hurt you can heal.